are pleased to show you the 2017 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, anti-theft security system, CD player, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, power moonroof, panic alarm, brake assist, sport package. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.